Hi guys, welcome to knowledge sharing channel. I am going to teach you how to use these three formulas in Excel sheet. It is very simple and everyone can learn fast within 5 minutes. Just follow me in this video till end and you will learn from it easily. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and press bell button below. Let's start. Here I am going to teach you three formulas. You can see here, over here. This is one formula called count. The second formula is the counter. The third formula is a count blank. These three formulas I am going to teach here in this video. So until the end you should watch to learn it, and I will start from here. This is one formula. This is numerical will be only counted by count formula. The second, if you can see here, this is alphabetic and numerical, both will be counted by counter formula. The third formula is a numerical alphabet, and blank also will be counted by count blank formula. Now how to use them? You can sit down. I have prepared a chart to teach you all. This is the chart here. You can see down just below of these formulas, and I have wrote here the value number 1, value number 2, value number 3, value number 4, value number 5, and value number 6. And here you can see count. The second row you can see here counter, and the third row you can see count blank formula. And below these formulas we have to apply. So now this is already I have prepared how I have applied. Now you cannot find those all here, and I am going to get the blank sheet for you, and then I will apply these formulas. So this is the blank formula. You can see over here. You can see over here. Now if I go through this all, you can see here, and I will apply the first formula which I said here, count formula. So the count formula, how to use them and why to use count formula. The count formula will count only those number the equal count. You can see here count, this area you can see count. So you click here, then the bracket open, then just select this line, only one line, even the blank line. This is the blank here. You can see value number 5 is blank, but it will count only the numbers. So the bracket close here, then you enter. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 numbers. And in the second counter formula, how to use is very simple. Again here also equal, then counter formula. Counter formula you can find the second here. So you just click here. If you double click, it will come automatically here. By mistake I press here, and then again you select from here value number 1 to value number 6, then you enter. So those are 5. So count. If I put here, let's say double A, so it will count also this one. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 in the second row. Look at this. Now you can see in the count row is 6, right? Okay, now you remove this one, so now only 5. The third, you can see count blank formula. The count blank formula means it will count also the blank area, so how many blank area now? So if you check here, equal to count blank formula is a count blank formula. You can see here, just double click, then you go through the same process up to here. So now bracket close, enter. So how many blank areas are there? There are no more, only one is there. So this is counted separately here, count blank. So this is how you can count. So if you go down, drag, then all will count automatically. So you can see here. So how many? Here one blank, here also one blank, here also one blank, but here there is number only will be counted here. Okay, this area number only count. If you put here double A, let's say for example A or single A, it will not count this area. Count only the number it will count. So it means even I put A, still the 5, but here counter will count also the alphabet. So it means there are 6. But if I remove A or any of the numbers, then it's a blank. The blank area will count here. Let's say for example here 55. I will remove from the value number 6. So you look here. Now 2 it is counted. 2 means here blank, here also blank. So it will count here 2 blank. 1, 2. 2 blanks. It is saying that 2 blanks are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. Total counted 4 numbers here. Now in the second row it is saying that the alphabet and numbers. Here you can see the alphabet. Here this area you can see alphabet. So alphabet and the numbers. These are the numbers and these are the alphabet also counted, and this is also number. So how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5. Counter formula will count alphabet and the numbers. Here you will be surprised, in this row if you check here, this row, yeah, you can see it's different here. Yeah, it's number, alphabet and numbers. The both three, all the threes will count here. 1, 2, 3 numbers are there, and the total alphabet and numbers 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means there is no empty or the blank is area. That is why it says here 0. So this is how you can use count formula, counter formula, and count blank formula. Guys, you can check often in my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have learned from it. See you on my next video with new formulas and new ideas. Thank you for watching.